latest package, ordered from superhobby.com, has landed with a thump on my doorstep. The pack was of course fully protected. This is just the inner wrapping. Let's see what we have here. First kit is the Brewster F2A2 Buffalo from Modelik. The model is printed on 4 A4 sheets of quite thick paper, around 400 gram. The printing is sharp with cartoon style graphics and a matte finish. The grey colour on the body and the wings is supposed to represent a metal finish. Well, not quite, but it is what it is. The instructions and history are in Polish, but the diagrams on the back page are very clear. This is the Focke-Wulf Triebflugeljager, again from Modelik. This is one of those German secret weapons that were being developed at the end of the war. Once finished, this will make a great display model and a good subject for discussion. Polish instructions. The diagrams are sharp, detailed and easy to follow. The model is printed on 400 gram paper. There are finely detailed cartoon style graphics. Some colours are a bit dark, but nice rivet detail. The kit includes parts to make a jig to get the correct twist when constructing the blades. And last, there are some really nice photographs of the completed model on the rear cover. I'm looking forward to this one, the Gloster G40 Pioneer from Orlik. The Gloster Pioneer was the first British turbojet engined aircraft and first flew in 1941. It was the third turbojet aircraft to fly after the German Heinkel HE-178 and the Heinkel HE-280. The model is printed on 300 gram paper with good colours. Unfortunately, the instrument panel is a little too dark, but I can fix that. There are other thin pages that need to be pasted onto cardstock. However, to save my time and sanity, I've also purchased the additional laser cut form parts for this model. The instructions are in Polish, but apparently there are English instructions available on the Orlik website. Even so, the diagrams are clear and easy to follow. A nice shiny book from WAC, the Hawker Typhoon Mk.1B. A great action shot on the front cover. Printed on 200 gram paper, the model uses photorealistic printing with a dirty, weathered texture. It has a nicely detailed cockpit. WAC is Polish of course, but there are really good detailed instructional diagrams on the back page. Okay, we have two models in one kit here. This is the Bucker Bu-181 Bestmann. The kit has liveries for both the German and the more colourful Swiss version, and that's probably the one I'm more likely to make. The kit has an extensive written history and instructions in Polish again, but luckily for me there are detailed diagrams. The model has photorealistic graphics printed on matte 200 gram paper. The cockpit is particularly well detailed, which shows well through the large canopy. Another shiny WAC model, the Mitsubishi Ki-51 Sonia, which was a light bomber in service with the Imperial Japanese Army during World War II. The cover, I think, certainly deserves to be mounted and framed. Typically well detailed instruction diagrams are printed on 4 pages and then follows the photorealistic model graphics on 4 300 gram paper and one lighter sheet that needs to be pasted to 1mm cardstock. The colours are good and it should build into an impressive model. The last WAC model in this bundle is the Curtiss Tomahawk Mk.11B in light desert colours. Again, photorealistic printing on 300 gram paper. A very detailed cockpit and of course correspondingly detailed instructions. This is going to make a beautifully coloured model. The last model here might be the most interesting, at least for me. This is the Polikarpov L16 Type 10 from Betaxa. The model, printed on satin type paper, has a scale of 1/32 rather than the usual paper scale of 1/33. The picture of the model on the front cover is a different colour than the model printed inside. It's all a bit strange. The instructions are printed in Polish, German and English, along with a simplified assembly diagram. It should be interesting. So that's my latest bundle, supplied by superhobby.com. Should keep me busy for a while. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more about the models I make, then please like and subscribe. I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.